Hello friends! Welcome back to English Easy Way. Today, we are going to learn the names of classroom objects. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a desk. A desk. We sit and study at the desk. This is a chair. A chair. We sit on the chair. This is a table. A table. The teacher keeps books on the table. This is a whiteboard. A whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard. This is a blackboard. A blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard with chalk. This is a bookshelf. A bookshelf. We keep books on the bookshelf. This is a cupboard. A cupboard. We keep things in the cupboard. This is a notice board. A notice board. We see important information on the notice board. This is a pencil. A pencil. We write with the pencil. This is a pen. A pen. We write neatly with the pen. This is a marker. A marker. The teacher writes on the board with the marker. This is chalk. Chalk. We write on the blackboard with chalk. This is a highlighter. A highlighter. We mark or highlight important words with the highlighter. This is an eraser. An eraser. We erase mistakes with the eraser. This is a sharpener. A sharpener. We make the pencil sharp with the sharpener. These are crayons. Crayons. We color with the crayons. This is a ruler. A ruler. We draw straight lines with the ruler. This is a compass. A compass. We draw circles with the compass. This is a protractor. A protractor. We measure and draw angles with the protractor. This is a set square. A set square. We draw right angles and straight lines with the set square. This is a notebook. Notebook. We write in the notebook. This is a textbook. Textbook. We learn from the textbook. This is a workbook. Workbook. We practice in the workbook. This is paper. Paper. We draw and write on the paper. This is a folder. Folder. We keep papers in the folder. This is a binder. Binder. We keep notes in the binder. This is chart paper. Chart paper. We use chart paper for projects. These are flashcards. Flashcards. We learn new words and pictures with flashcards. This is a diary. Diary. We write our daily notes and secrets in the diary. This is a drawing book. Drawing book. We draw and color pictures in the drawing book. This is a computer. Computer. We study, play, and work on the computer. This is a laptop. Laptop. We write, learn, and watch videos on the laptop. This is a projector. Projector. It shows big pictures and videos on the wall. This is a smartboard. Smartboard. The teacher writes and teaches on the smartboard. This is a printer. Printer. We print papers and pictures with the printer. This is a tablet. Tablet. We read books, study, and play games on the tablet. These are speakers. Speakers. We listen to loud sounds and music with speakers. This is glue. Glue. We stick paper and craft items with glue. These are scissors. Scissors. We cut paper and shapes with scissors. This is tape. Tape. We join papers and things with tape. This is a stapler. Stapler. We join papers together with the stapler. These are paper clips. Paper clips. We hold papers together with paper clips. These are push pins. Push pins. We pin papers on the board with push pins. This is a pencil case. Pencil case. We keep pencils, pens, and small stationery in the pencil case. This is a school bag. School bag. We carry books and stationery in the school bag. This is a calculator. Calculator. We solve sums and math problems with the calculator. This is a geometry box. Geometry box. We keep rulers, compass, set squares, and other tools in the geometry box. This is a clipboard. Clipboard. We keep papers on the clipboard and write easily anywhere. This is a map. Map. We learn about countries, cities, and places with the map. This is a globe. Globe. We see the whole world and different countries on the globe. This is a clock. Clock. We check the time with the clock. This is a calendar. Calendar. We see the days, weeks, and months on the calendar. This is a chart. Chart. We learn information from the chart. This is a duster. Duster, board eraser. We clean the blackboard or whiteboard with the duster. This is a water bottle. Water bottle. We drink water from the water bottle. This is a lunchbox. Lunchbox. We keep our food and eat from the lunchbox. This is a trash can. Trash can. We throw trash and waste in the trash can. This is a fan. Fan. The fan blows air and keeps the classroom cool. This is a light. Light. The light makes the classroom bright. Wow! We learned so many classroom objects today. Now you can look around your classroom and say their names in English. Tell me in the comments, which classroom object do you use the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Easy Way for more fun learning. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video.